Hi everyone, I'm Silvana from Sales Design with the Kitchen Series. If you missed the latest video, I recommend you to watch so you can understand a little bit of the process. I already built a few things that was very interesting. And today this is how our kitchen look like. Today we are going to talk only about the Backsplash. Full disclosure, this video is not about how to install Backsplash. It's more like what not to do when installing Backsplash because this process was a disaster. This was my first time installing Backsplash and it was harder than I thought. So please be kind if you have anything helpful to say.
I'm so nervous.
My first mistake was the grout thickness. I added water before the actually grout and that was a mistake because I had more water than grout. So it was not thick enough and then I will fix that later. But for the first row I had a really problem because of that. It was really water, the mixture and wasn't sticking well. So the next time, if I'm going to do it again, and probably the advice that I would give to you, is if you are going to do this, I feel like even though the instruction says put water first, I would add the grout first, and then I would add water as I go, mix as I go, because I thought it would be better.
Okay, let's go. How this will hold? Oh my freaking goodness. This may not hold, guys. Okay. No, it's not holding. It's not holding, guys. I put too much, or maybe too little. Please stay. I feel like it's falling. It's falling. Like falling. Okay, let's, I will do it again. Okay. Please stay. My goodness, I am such
Wasn't on this video, but I probably spent like 10 minutes fighting with the mixture and I was super nervous about it. Has something about fresh grout that I go to a panic mode thinking that the grout will dry as fast as possible. Anyway, so after I spend that 10 minutes, just add my first square, making a mess in the kitchen. I decide to place the next square on top and looking now, I should add from bottom to top. You know, like a row, bottom to top. And I guess I didn't think of this as a strategy before starting this process. So I went like down, top, down, top. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see on the video. At this point, I already had added more grout into the mixture and it wasn't too thick, but it was better than before. I started picking up at a pace, still struggling, but I was getting a little bit better as well. I don't know if the type of backsplash I choose was the problem, maybe if it was a square would it be better for me, I don't know. But I'm planning on practicing this process more.
here. Goodness.
In between the gaps, I placed individual stones in the gaps that I found along the way. This part actually was kind of therapeutic for me, to be honest. So I kept doing more and more because I was really enjoying. If you're enjoying seeing me struggling on this video, please press the like button, and it would mean a lot to me if you can subscribe to this channel and support my growth. The process of styling took me about 1 hour. After that, I waited just a little bit to clean the mortar since I took too long to install. But with a mortar sponge, I cleaned all the excess and left for 48 hours until add the grout. You can wait between 24 and 48 hours until grout, but because I had other stuff to do, I decided to do 48 instead. The next day, I was so glad that even though I panicked, everything was in place. But the biggest mistake I did was when I actually add the grout. Can you spot the mistake? I didn't remove the outlet cover. Instead, I put a tape on it. I learned a lot with this project, even though I can't remove the outlet covers. I still need silicone to seal the grout. Hope it to be a better experience the next time. If you don't want to miss all mistakes in transformation, subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.